Good morning. I'm so happy that I'm among you today on this wonderful occasion, Children's Day celebration. You know, Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase the awareness of the rights, the care, and the education of the children. But today, I thought that I would be talking something about the responsibilities of the children. First of all, what is the most important responsibility? That is taking care of your health. Especially at the time of COVID-19, you are inside your home and then you are more aware that how important health is for us. Now each state is thinking about reopening the school now. Each government is planning. Soon you will be back to your school. So when you are back to your school, you are going to face a new norm there. You have to wear mask always. You have to sanitize your hands. You have to maintain social distance. Sometimes even the assembly, there won't be no assemblies. You will not be taken out for any field trip or anything. So all the gatherings will be avoided. You will be separated from your classmates. So all such things may be there. So or will be there. So I am so sure that you will soon adapt to the new situation. You have proved that you are so flexible. You know, when everything is affected because of COVID-19, the only area which is unabated, it was this learning or education all over the world. That's why teachers are called warriors of COVID-19. You all have quickly adapted to the new online mode of education. So when you come back to school, you sometimes you'll be facing the blended learning. Everything would be different. So what is more important will be your emotional stability and physical development. Such areas also have to be taken care of. So for that, you have to develop your immunity, boost your immunity. So what you have to do for that? You should take up good food to improve your health. Avoid junk food. Most of the problems that we face, they are because of the lifestyle issues. So my dear children, please understand that bad effects of smoking, drinking, and the drug, even spending too much time in front of the gadget is also wrong. Most of you or some of the children are very much addicted to mobile games or video games, such things. Please understand that those things will affect your brain or affect your eyesight. So when you come to know that something is not good for you, you should have that cognitive ability to say no. So now all the parents and teachers are asking you to take your mobile and then learn. Sometimes back, once upon a time, they themselves asked you not to touch the mobiles. Soon, maybe in future, they may again ask you, don't take mobile too much. So please understand why they are saying so. So all for your health. So my dear children, you also have to be the warriors of COVID-19. You should understand that you have certain responsibilities to spread this awareness to others. First you understand, then you spread that to others. Okay, then another thing which I am going to talk about is, life is so beautiful. Life is so, you'll be more contented and you will understand that life would be different when you do some small acts of kindness, when you are compassionate to others. Do small acts of kindness every day. Practice kindness. There can be a kindness circle in your class, even in this online era of learning. think about sharing such kind activities in the class. Be kind to your parents, to yourself, to your friends, to your grandparents, to your teachers, to your to your neighbors, to anybody whomever you meet or may not meet. They may not be the, even the human beings. You must be kind to all the plants and animals in the world. Please understand that we are all connected in this ecosystem. Everything, even the small acts will have some impact, isn't it? So when someone is doing some cruel things, that will also have an impact. When somebody is doing some kindness, that will also have an impact on us. Everything is karma. Please understand all those things and try to be kind to others. Be compassionate to everybody. So it's your responsibility to make the life a better world to live. And you just try to be who you are. Develop your abilities. See, there are many things which are denied now. You cannot go out, you cannot meet your friends, you cannot go to school. Okay, but there are so many things which you can do now. You all, God has gifted you actually, given you something, some spark in you. Understand those abilities, realize those abilities, look within and try to develop such abilities and talents. Make use of the time. Time is so precious. Figure out what you want in life and what you really love to do. Then figure out how to do that, how to do what you want to do. Then you will be happy. So do something which you really love to do. So that is the key of happiness. Be successful when you do something which you really love to do. So that is my message today, my dear children.